Are you looking to become a product manager? Hi everyone, my name is Manav and I'm the founder and CEO of INSEAD, and in this video I want to introduce you to a very exclusive and very popular program in India called the PGP in Product Management. Now this is a 12-month program which has been designed keeping one person in mind, and that person is you. If your goal is to become a product manager at a top product company, this program exactly prepares you for roles like that. Now there are multiple reasons why you will love this program, but let me tell you 3 big reasons why you should choose this program and how this program will make a huge impact to your career. Now the first reason why this program PGP in Product Management is very different is it has been designed, crafted and developed by some of the finest and the best product managers in India, working in most likely your dream product companies like Amazon, Google, Meta, Adobe, PayPal. So what you're getting actually is you are getting to learn from product managers who have not only mastered product management but who have actually applied that in top product companies, and you would get to learn how product management is done in these top companies. Number one. Number two thing that you like about the program is this is by far the most step-by-step curriculum and the most advanced curriculum in product management in India. And when I say that, I would ask you to even validate, compare with other programs available out there and see for yourself whether this is true or not. What we have done in this program is in a step-by-step way. We start directly from the basics of product management. Then you move to the 5 pillars of product management. You learn product strategy, product road mapping, then you learn UI UX for product managers, technology for product managers, etc. You learn the basics in the first 6 months. And what is the true beauty of this program actually comes in the second half of the program, which is where you are learning the advanced modules for the next 6 months, which is product analytics for product managers. You will be learning product growth and scaling. You will be learning product monetization. Plus you will be learning 2 very essential topics for product managers of tomorrow, which is no-code product management. How do you build products with no-code platforms? Number 1. And number 2, last module you will be doing in the last term, in the 12th month, is building AI machine learning based products, which is so important considering that the whole world is moving towards AI. I believe and we believe that you as a budding product manager need to have understanding of how to build AI based products. I believe apart from these three top reasons, there are many exciting reasons like career assistance, like learning in an interactive fashion every weekend from some of the top faculty that you'll be learning from, who are actually practicing product managers. But what I would want you to do is take the first step and get enrolled in the PGP in product management, because this program will not only build the mindset, skill set and the tools that you need to succeed as a product manager, it will totally transform you as a person and set yourself on the path to making, building and scaling world-class products. Take care and talk to a learning advisor if you have any questions.